Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Genome Wide Studies. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. In this video, we will try to do the evolutionary fingerprinting analysis to learn that how the codons of our gene behave during evolutionary process or the distribution in how many classes of these codons and in which pattern or intensity these codons behave to evolutionary fingerprinting analysis. But if you want to know that what is evolutionary fingerprinting, why it is important for evolutionary analysis of the gene family, and why we do the evolutionary fingerprinting, then you must focus or read this article Evolutionary Fingerprinting of Genes by Pond et al. Hopefully it will clear all the questions in your mind about the evolutionary fingerprinting of your gene. But how to do the evolutionary fingerprinting analysis? Let's start. First, you need to open the folder containing your file of CDS sequences of your gene family. Like here, I have this file that contains the CDS sequences of my gene family and need to delete all the stop codons of each gene. Remember that not a single gene has a stop codon in its sequence. After deleting the stop codon from all the genes, then select all copy and make its alignment in mega. After align, as I have already made it, you need to open the browser and in Google write classical data monkey because we use these analysis in online classical data monkey tool and open this link, the first one, adaptive evolutionary server. Click on analyze your data. Now choose your alignment file that you have prepared for evolutionary fingerprinting and upload it. Here these options data type and genetic code remain the same. After uploading, then click proceed to the analysis menu. So in method, select evolutionary fingerprinting and click on run. When you click on run, the new window will appear which will say that evolution fingerprinting job is queued or this page will refresh automatically every 60 seconds. So it means that your analysis is running. So it is better that you bookmark your analysis because it takes maybe 1 or 2 hours. So after 1 or 2 hours you will return back and then open your that analysis that and check whether these are finished or not. After that, after some time, I want to check my results that I have bookmarked. So it says that evolution fingerprinting analysis are finished. When the results finish, it will give you this type of results that tells about that how many classes are made, that they use 5 trade class per classes and that this is a log likelihood value and this it gives about how many parameters and this is AIC value and these are the classes and their maximum likelihood estimates, their median, and so on. So you need to copy all these information and paste it into your doc file because it will help you in writing your results about this section. And this is also the description of this plot that was generated in during from our CDS sequences through this model. So you also need to save this and you read into your uh, manuscript. Like here I have already saved it. So here you can see that this plot you have downloaded. Now you can copy it and paste it into your whatever where you have keep your figure like I am doing. As it is in PDF file, so you make it into figure or JPG or PIC file using different tools like Adobe Illustrator or Paint, etc. Whatever you have the expertise. So this is our video about evolutionary fingerprinting analysis of our gene. Hopefully it will help you. Thank you.